Number 7 wants us to factor this r cubed plus 64. Well, I notice they're both perfect cubes. So this can be factored down to a binomial times a trinomial. The binomial piece is simply take the cubic root of that. Well, what times what is r to the third? That's just an r. For 64, what times what 64? That's a 4. So we just took the cube root of each one of them. That gives us our binomial piece, r plus 4. The trinomial piece, we use this idea of sofas. What does that stand for? The first S, let's get rid of that. This first S stands for square the first piece. So here's our first piece. I'm going to square it. R times R squared. Oh, well, right now I need to have a plus sign or a minus sign. Is r squared plus something or r squared minus? I will always do the opposite. O stands for opposite. Since this was an addition, it is going to be a subtraction. The problem was an addition, so we're going to do a subtraction sign right here. F stands for fuse these two pieces together. In other words, just multiply them together. 4 times r. 4 times r. The A stands for always add. This will always be an addition. And the final S is like the first S, but in this time we're going to square that final piece there. 4 times 4, 16. So the binomial r plus 4 times the trinomial r squared minus 4r plus 16 gives us that right there. So we have factored it beautifully.